3500 Cutaway. This is a Cutaway chassis, so what it's got is no metal on the back of the cab, and we put a service body on it, which is a box truck. This Ram ProMaster 3500 has got a 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission. We've got it equipped with the wide mirrors on it. Inside we have the cloth interior with the vinyl seating. You have a pass-through back to the box from the cab. Automatic transmission, like I said, a 3.6 Pentastar front-wheel drive vehicle. If you're looking to expedite or deliver things, this is a perfect truck for this. Does have power windows, power locks, hands-free communication for your telephone, and we also have put cruise control on this. Got a 5-inch touchscreen radio, air conditioner, electronic stability control, 2-passenger seating with armrests on the seats for the driver. What we got here is a 15-foot box. This is done with 2x6 pine on the floor, insulated all the way around. The studs on this are 16-inch center to center. I've put a pull-out ramp on it, a heavy-duty dock bumper. We have LED lights on the inside. As far as height goes, you're over 6 foot. I'm 6'1", and I've got about 4 inches. You got 5 different tie downs on each side, pine siding, steel plated bulkhead. I've got this door lock, but this door does open into the cab. No wheel wells to worry about. You got flat space. If you're looking at hauling pallets, you could also shelve this up if you're a delivery person for some kind of food product, different electrical products. Have put LED lights inside of it. Nice pull down sliding door. All the way down, locks up. Once again, this is a 15-foot box, 15-foot by 7, single rear wheel, automatic transmission, front wheel drive vehicle. This is a Ram 3500 ProMaster with a Bay Bridge box on it. This is just one of many of the vehicles we have here at Sherry Chrysler. For more information on our commercial vehicles, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.